after finishing first circle roundabout with the exit and entrance from here, the roundabout will go outside the right side of the main road, and from here it will enter to the roundabout. The the same process for this line. You can keep this one or you can delete this one. The same here, I will trim from this side because we need only this to the edge of asphalt line. So between the other line, I don't need this line, also these two line. I don't need these two line. Now it's okay, the same offset. I can take from here. I will take from here offset, and then I will make the property same like the other side. I will do here the radius fillet and the radius for this 1 meter on the outer edge like this, also for the inner side the same plus on the other side here with the radius of 1 meter. Okay, now it's looking good. The vehicle, if it's travel from the right side, it will enter the roundabout. If it will take U-turn, it will go, or if it will go toward the airport road, it will go like this one. The same process I will do here. We'll make the property with this line and then fillet with the same radius as I put on the other side. This side also the yellow line. Okay, now if you want to keep this line or if you want to remove, okay, the final shape of the roundabout will be like this. Now the remaining thing here in this geometry is one loop and the ramp. The loop will, if a vehicle will go from this roundabout to, actually this road is going from the right side is going toward this side as well. So if the from the existing road, any vehicle, any person want to travel on this road, he can come through the loop and he can enter this road. After the roundabout, he can go to this side if they want. So we will make here one loop and ramp from this road, suppose, because the loop only it will from the downside to the upside. So we will make a ramp if someone from the new the proposed road want to go to the existing road, so we will make a ramp. But first of all, we will make a loop here. If I go to the drawing, already I have, there is a radius of 135. 135 already we have discussed before in my first video that from here this radius we will take. Already I showed the road highway manual design. From there is a table. From this table we will take this according to our design speed. So if I go to the typical section, the typical section for that area which we have drawn here, this I think it was GG. The GG, if this the existing grade and this area is existing road and this the auxiliary lane which is the new lane for the loop A, we will make this proposed area. So we will make another one lane for the transition. Suppose if a vehicle will come here, so he cannot directly come to the loop, he cannot enter the loop directly. We will make here the transition. I open the drawing, then you can understand here. This the taper length 91.25 meter. This is the taper lane. So if a vehicle will travel on the main road, existing road here, and he want to go to this main road, the above main road, which is in a cross, so he will go through the loop, and in the loop we will give another extra one lane. Here we will add another extra lane, so he will gradually enter to this loop. Here, as you can see, a complete one lane, and then it will enter the loop. Other vehicle, they will travel straight, as this existing asphalt existing road is going straight, so they will keep following the straight road toward the village. But anyone who want to join the airport road, they will come to this the taper lane, this here, which we have created, and then they will go enter to the loop. So for that reason, we will add one extra lane to the existing road. We will turn on the layer. If I hedge this area or not, I don't no, I did not no, I did not hedge. So it's mean this the existing road, and I will add here another one lane. So this the yellow line. With the yellow line, I will take offset 3.65 meter, which is the width of one lane, and then I will keep the same width of the shoulder. So for this area, this is our new shoulder line, because now before it have only two lane. Now the new road, which we added one lane, so now in this area there are three lane, 1 2 3 lane, and then the shoulder. We will remove this asphalt, edge of asphalt, because this is our new edge of asphalt and this is our new shoulder. So this shoulder line will join this shoulder line, this yellow line, which is also called a shoulder line. This will join this one through a loop. So already we saw here there is 135, the radius of the loop is 135. So I will draw a circle of 135, which will join this yellow line and also this yellow line, which I have created now, the new. So I will put 135, the new radius, and as you can see here, there is a loop. I will change the color for this one. Put this, let's create this center. This there's two, but I will just change the color, so it will be better to understand that this is the center line. So I will trim it from here, this yellow line, also from this yellow line. It will end here. It will start from this line and end here. So I will trim it from inside here. Okay, I will draw a line here. Also, I will draw a line here. Sometimes it is not connected, so that's why it's not trimming. So I will draw a polyline here and here, and from this two polylines, I will trim the area which I don't need. So now this the center line of the loop. If I go to the typical section of the loop, is the ramp or loop. So as you can see, there is a VGL, so it means this the center line 2.5 meter. So it's also part of the loop, the giant loop. So the loop center line here, and this the ramp center line is here, so it's inside 2.5 meter. So after that, I will join this line to the one complete length, and then the taper length. The complete length, if I check here, this is 180 meter, and then 91.25. So I will add these two, which is 91.25 plus